Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. Today I'm working on a carburetor here and it has an air cutoff valve. And I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what it does, what it's for, how it works. So first off guys, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications guys. Let's get started. So we have a air cutoff valve here. Now, there's a couple ports on this I want you to pay attention to. It has one that goes up to the top right here. It has another one right here that goes to the intake, to that little angled one right down inside there. Right, and then it has there's one right inside there, and that one goes straight to the pilot jet. Okay, that one comes out right here where the pilot is, and that's the key of it right there. So there's a little ball right here, and on your cutoff valve there's a pin, and that pin, when it sets in here, it sits on top of that. There's a spring that goes on top of that, and then there's the cap that goes on, and it pushes that ball down. All right, so when it pushes the ball down, it opens up a port of air that goes from the top portion right here where the CV valve is. Air goes in here, goes through that hole, goes into this hole right here, and goes to your pilot jet. So your pilot jet at that point has air that's coming in from a couple different places. It has air coming in from that hole right there, and it also has air coming in from your mixture screw right here, which has a hole up inside of the throat of the body of the carburetor. So when you have air coming in a couple different places, all right, to your pilot, you also have air coming in through here. You're going to have an excessive amount of air going to your pilot. So your pilot is adjusted for the size to accommodate for all that amount of air. So what happens with the air cutoff valve is that when you chop the throttle off, so you're full throttle, everything's open, air's flowing good, boom, you shut the throttle off. This valve has negative pressure because negative pressure is created inside of the carburetor. It causes a vacuum on the back side of this diaphragm right here, sucks the diaphragm up, shuts the valve off, cuts the air off from here, reduces the amount of air to your pilot jet to let more fuel flow and prevent backfiring, all right, or popping on decel. So if you have a bike, when you slow down and it's giving you a lot of pop, 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 popping, it's usually from extra air, either from here, this is not working, this is dry and it's not working properly, or it's going to be from exhaust leaks, or there's a couple other reasons why it can happen. But this is one of the things that you need to check out, and that's what it does. That's how an air cutoff valve works. It just reduces the amount of air to your pilot jet on decel, so it doesn't have a lean condition when you're decelerating, and stops it from backfiring, popping. So guys, that's all there is to it. Hopefully this helps you out. I try to replace these because they're just like the diaphragms. You can see it kind of gets worn out and it doesn't work as good. So you want to replace these. And try to do it each time you're rebuilding the carburetors. Do it right. Do it one time. All right, guys. Hopefully you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, Tepco Cycle Repair.